Good afternoon. It's time to make lunch. Springtime. I just love it. Especially because I put so many salads together so simply. And you can do it too. So we're going to start off with some golden beets. So what I did is I took the whole golden beets, I cleaned them up real nice because beets, because they're below the surface of the soil, have a lot of dirt. So once they're all brushed and cleaned, I boiled them. The peel comes right off. I just chopped it up. You know, it has these beautiful circles on it, so lovely. So have that. And my favorite, Baker and Olive, I have their basil olive oil. I'm just going to be throwing in some basil olive oil. I'm going to be putting in some black pepper, some salt, and some lemon juice. I really don't care about the seeds, but you know, if you do, you can pick them out. But I don't think it kills you. It really doesn't. So I'm going to be putting in some coriander powder, and you want to go in with your hands, not with tongs, not with anything else. So just give them a good little rub down, a nice little massage, super nice little massage for the springtime. And I love these golden babies to marinate on the side. Meanwhile, at the other end of town, there is spinach. Okay, the spinach are cut into little strips, and I would strongly recommend doing it. Not only does it look beautiful, it also is fantastic to serve on an Easter platter, because for the vegans in your life who can't eat eggs, these would be a great alternative salad. So I'm going to be putting in here some lemon juice. I just want to put in the acid right there. And I'm going to be putting in some minced garlic. Yes, just like that. Not a big deal, but we're just going to be putting in some minced garlic. And then I want to put in some chili flakes. And then to this, I'm going to be adding in a little bit more of the basil olive oil. A teeny weeny bit of salt, and give it a quick little turn like so. And to that, I'm going to be adding in some soaked and peeled almonds, and then I just half them. So there you have it. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some ginger juice. So you just take the ginger and get a few little drops of the ginger juice in there just for the flavor. Wonderful. So now it is time to plate up. I'm going to give a quick wash to my hands, and I'll be right back. So it is so easy to plate. So this beautiful garlic infused spinach salad right in the middle of the platter. It almost looks like a little egg hunt with the almonds trying to peek their sweet little heads out like so. And the spinach does emulate the grass. It looks like grass. You know, vegans are people too, and we have to get imaginative to accommodate the vegans in our life. So it's super important. There, beautiful, very nice. And then what I would like to do is put in some new kohlrabi sprouts in different places along the platter. They have a beautiful, unique flavor of their own. They are quite delicate, so I don't want to mess with it a little bit much, but just, I like it coming out of the platter like that, you know. Plating is such an important part of serving beautiful food. It not only has to look good, it has to taste great, but it definitely does help. So there you have it. I have it coming from all directions. Looks pretty. And of course, not to forget our beautiful marinated beets. So I'm just going to layer the beets like so. You know, when I was a student in London, it was like one of my favorite things in the world, as it is now, was to feed people. And I just absolutely loved it. You know, it was such a lovely part of my life. And when my food was served, people would always like look at it lovingly. And you know, I used to know that they would eat with their eyes before they did with their mouths. So it's really nice to have that little thing going, you know. So really beautiful. There you have it. I'm gonna make one more little guy here. So 7 little buddies, adding a little hint of black pepper, loving it up beautifully. And to that, some blackberry ginger balsamic vinegar. Vinegar and beets are like a marriage made in heaven. It's just like that. So I'm gonna go tread lightly while we do this. Beautiful. There you have it. My glistening golden beet salad. Ready to eat. I'm definitely going to do a taste test. I'll be right back. So it's time to taste this delectable salad. Every part of it is of course edible. It's not one of those things where, oh, it's a garnish, I'll leave it on the side. So beautiful beets. Blackberry, ginger, golden beets. I mean, delightful. My mom always said, don't speak with your mouth full, but I just have to let you know, and I have to convey this. Against the sweetness of the balsamic vinegar and the beets is this beautiful tapestry of flavor that is sour, garlicky. I have a hint of spice, that coriander, everything infused, so easy to put together, so perfect for Easter. Wishing you fabulous Easter vacation and holidays, and this is a hunt that I will be repeating. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine. This is Vaidya Priyanka.